Well, the moon, of course, has no significant atmosphere. The vacuum there is 10 to the minus 12 torr, if you're into vacuum measurements. There's essentially nothing on the moon. Mars has about a 100th of an Earth's atmosphere, and about 1% of the Earth's atmosphere. And that is just enough to make you have to deal with it, and not enough to help you very much when you're trying to land on Mars. So it becomes a major problem. It's also not very dense at high altitude. Of course, it's not very dense at low altitude either. But because it's not very dense at high altitude means that certain parts of Mars are even more difficult to get to than others. And it is going to take a great deal of engineering thought, of operational planning, before we really know how to put human beings down on the surface of Mars. Parachutes are very interesting. They'll work up to about 4 metric tons, about an order of magnitude smaller than what is going to be required to put human beings on Mars. In fact, the Mars Science Laboratory will use some parachutes as part of its entry. But once you get bigger than that, we don't have any good ways to test large parachutes, except in the high Earth's atmosphere. We don't really know how to manufacture them reliably. And so probably to go through to enter the Mars atmosphere is going to take some new type of technology. And there are some ideas on how to do that, inflatable structures and things like that can be used. But still, those have to be designed and tested, and I would hesitate to predict exactly how it's going to be done.